Hello guys and welcome to a new vlog here in Sri Lanka. It's already our fourth video from here and we are currently at a tea plantation.
Yeah, as promised we will visit one, and we are currently at the Pedro Tea Plantation here in Nuwara Eliya.
The Pedro Tea Plantation is one of the famous ones here, and you could actually visit the factory, but today it's Christmas, it's the 25th of December, and unfortunately
It's closed.
it's closed.
Yeah, but we can still visit and wander around this fantastic tea plantation for free, which is great.
Yeah, so now let's go and explore this beautiful place.
As you can see, we have left the Pedro Tea Plantation, and you might know that England is very famous for its strawberries. And as we mentioned, we are in Little England, so how could it be any different? They have like a huge strawberry farm here, and we are about to go there and have some delicious lunch. Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new day here in Sri Lanka. I think it's the earliest morning we've had so far on our journey.
It is currently 20 past 2 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, it's still night, and our goal is now to climb Adam's Peak.
Adam's Peak is one of the largest mountains here in Sri Lanka, and in order to get to the top you have to climb more than 5,000 steps.
And because we want to catch sunrise at the peak, we now have to leave and climb onwards to the top of Adam's Peak.
From the starting to the end point, it's more than 1,000 meters difference.
So now, let's go.
Let's go, yes. made it.
We are back in town after reaching the summit of the Adams Peak. After about 1.5 hours, we returned down in the village, and now we are desperately waiting for an amazing breakfast.
Yes, and the climb, I mean, for some of you guys, I think it's peanuts, but for us, it was quite a challenge,
Yeah.
and we're proud of ourselves that we made it up to the summit.
But as you saw in the footage, there are also a lot of old people, old ladies in the 80s maybe, that made it up there, so everybody can make it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see our next Sri Lankan adventure, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Bye.
Like a deer in the headlights, just can't believe what you think and feel. 'Cause I've been going backwards, drifting off with your words. Can't find a way to deal with this now. Don't you see, you imply forever, but this is however, not in line with your own vows. 'Cause it's a bitter